Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 8 from your English reader book, that is Ace Swimmer Mihir Sen. So let us read the chapter Lesson 8 Ace Swimmer Mihir Sen. Before you read, India is a land of achievers. Some of India's sports champions are Vishwanathan Anand, Sania Mirza, Jeev Milkha, Abhinav Bindra, etc. Let us go back in time and read about the achievements of one of India's most remarkable sportsmen, Mihir Sen, who is also known as the conqueror of 7 seas. Mihir Sen, the ace swimming champion, in fact, did not know how to swim till he was 22 years of age. Until this age, he had only dog paddled. Mihir was born on 16th November 1930 in the Purulia district in West Bengal. He became a lawyer and worked as a barrister at the Kolkata High Court. However, he wanted to do something more with his life. So, he travelled to England. There, he worked as a railway porter, after which he got a job at the Indian High Commission's office. It was here that Mihir Sen developed a love for swimming. He joined a local club and for 3 years he went through rigorous training. Finally, on 27th September 1958, he became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. The English Channel divides the island of Great Britain from northern France and links the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Sen was awarded the Padma Shri in 1959 for being the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. The year 1966 was a momentous year for Sen. He swam across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in 1 year. In the month of April, he swam across the Palk Strait, the sea between India and Sri Lanka. This was indeed daring, as the water of the Palk Strait was shark infested. In the month of August, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. In September, he became the world's first man to swim across the hazardous Strait of Dardanelles in Turkey. In the same month, he swam across the Bosphorus, also in Turkey, in only 4 hours. Then, he swam the 85 kilometers long Panama Canal in 34 hours and set a world record. Thus, Sen set up 5 world records as he swam the 7 seas, for which he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966. Mihir Sen's noteworthy achievements earned him a place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's greatest long-distance swimmer. Sen opened the doors for many Indian swimmers to excel in long-distance swimming. However, his daring achievements remain unmatched. He always believed that a country is measured only by the deeds and achievements of its people. Mihir Sen was the president of the Explorers Club of India and passed away in 1997 at the age of 67. About the story. This was a biography of Mihir Sen. A biography is a story of person's life which is written by someone else. I hope you enjoyed reading this chapter. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.